Every year, scientists analyze mutating viruses, take a wild guess at which variant will hit next, and rush to manufacture a seasonal vaccine. We are playing a permanent game of whack-a-mole, which leaves humanity perpetually trailing behind evolving diseases. Imagine if a machine could analyze every viral mutation that has ever existed, and ever could exist, to design a single permanent biological shield. In 2026, this moved beyond theory. The first entirely AI-designed pan-virus vaccine antigens have officially entered human trials. This milestone marks a transition to medicine that preemptively neutralizes threats before they have the chance to spread. The origin point for this breakthrough is the University of Cambridge, where researchers developed the DIOS-CoVax vaccine. Traditional vaccines train your immune system to recognize a virus's current outfit, the specific proteins on its surface. As soon as the virus mutates and changes its shape, the immune system loses its target. By dissolving those outer layers in a digital simulation, the AI identified the virus's unchanging inner structural skeleton. The AI then generated a synthetic pan-coronavirus antigen. It's a target that teaches the immune system to lock on to that permanent core, regardless of what future mutations appear on the surface. While promising, the 39-person Phase 1 trial is strictly designed to evaluate safety and basic immune triggers. It is a proof of concept, not a proven shield. The success of this trial validates the idea that AI-designed biology can safely function inside the human body. It provides the biological foundation for proactive healthcare. This predictive logic is expanding into the hospital environment itself. Historically, medicine required doctors to wait for a patient to physically deteriorate before acting. Sepsis is a prime example. It is a fast-moving medical emergency that is notoriously difficult for humans to diagnose during the hours when intervention is most effective. Today, AI models act as a silent overwatch. They crawl millions of real-time data points, including subtle temperature dips and minor heart rate fluctuations. These systems can flag sepsis up to 6 hours before a human doctor observes a single physical symptom. This predictive layer is appearing in everything from digital twins that simulate chemotherapy responses to wearables providing continuous monitoring for chronic conditions. Modern hospital systems are evolving into predictive data environments, engineered to stop patients from deteriorating rather than just managing the aftermath. The ability to compute biological responses in hours rather than months has created a biocompute race, a competition to master the algorithms that will dictate future pandemic responses. The U.S. leads in private sector innovation, but predictive tools remain disconnected from population health grids due to a fragmented system. Singapore utilizes a highly interconnected, state-orchestrated grid. They use centralized AI to monitor population health in real time, managing the logistics of an aging society. In Taiwan, the strategy leverages world-class hardware and universal health data to build national resilience, using predictive care to identify and support vulnerable citizens before they reach the hospital. The nations that integrate these algorithms into their public health architecture gain a decisive edge in response speed and economic stability during future outbreaks. For most of human history, doctors were forced to play catch-up with disease, reacting only after the damage was done. Computational code is becoming a silent sentinel, resolving biological threats before we are ever aware we are vulnerable. If you want to understand the science behind the headlines, like, share, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs.